Kumbasan po ngut Nongkyrshan ka Seng Bjp Ncp na Pynthorumkhrah kilalit Pyniasoh no eladi siya ka Seng Congress haka arpunyo tri ukalaling kod arhaja arpulai lapiang ngobhai ki haka negasngi the working president ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba penchangai langs aim habakran haka negasngi uba penchangai uloang bada ka jingwan Pyniasoh kini kitakot ka Seng Congress kan nang yobor ban job iki election.
Former members of NCP and Bjp that have joined with the Congress party from Pynthorumkhrah to support me, the Congress candidate, during this election 2023. I highly appreciate Pynthorumkhrah, others candidate, others politicians. They are in hurry to decide and contest election in Pynthorumkhrah. I think with the very single agenda, not to win the election, but to lose in the election, for the benefit of any other candidates. But we are very happy to see Pynthorumkhrah join with the Congress party with the very intention to see me win during this election. So I hope that the joining of former Bjp members, former NCP member from Pynthorumkhrah will be a great impact for the Congress party in Pynthorumkhrah to win during the elections. We have many issues to be addressed. Pynthorumkhrah has been 25 years under by-elect as the MLAs. I will not say anything. I think people of Pynthorumkhrah will know better regarding the lack of development in Pynthorumkhrah.
But one joins Congress party, they then kajing sadien kajong Pynthorumkhrah constituency. Kabar sila manong kadai gawin na constituency ko sadien tom maka sorslong bagi kapsar hiyo. Mentala artisans na kumbang yatim setingga melihat ini we celebrate yang silver jubilee manong. Handai ke Pynthorumkhrah kumtai du kasadien artisans na. Mensua ralangi klan di Pynthorumkhrah constituency kadai gawin na constituency kabag scope dan expand kadang namar balai arpsan stem mensua kita ka dalam freely available lama dan ne dagi day penting very low price hendai susi belum bakam dan kawai tang ibe madan mela kai krukna kamdan kawai hukum ihol bobet pembiang kaba kikna kila banyo banle jele ka ta kihol kibalong indoor stadium kibala onongkom indoor stadium mo ki kumtihon kung katamdan gawin daw ng practice what akajaka kaba umeli rusong sa peti community hall